Yes, hi, good morning. I'm Elaine Lim and I'm the Senior Manager of Customer Care in CMA, which is a logistic company. I attended this basically with the expectation to understand how I can improve the performance of my staff. So what I have listened to today is very beneficial for me because the speakers and the trainers was basically giving us a lot of guidance on how we can set KPIs, what are the right KPIs to do, are KPIs important. So all this was triggering us to think a little bit more in depth into managing our people, and it was a very good sharing session as well because they were drawing ideas and feedback from all the participants in here today. Find it easier to be able to appraise staff and how they can measure them. There are courses available here in Help Institute to get the participants to get more in depth into all this management. Yeah.